Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Just a reminder, after watching our tutorial, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our website for more in-depth WordPress and page builder tutorials. All right, now on to today's video. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a sticky left filter in Bricks Builder and make sure it actually works. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Bricks Templates section. Click Add New Template. Give it a name. I'll name mine Left Filter Sidebar. Choose Section as the type. Click Publish. Click Edit with Bricks to open the template in the Bricks Builder. Inside the section, add a block or container to hold your filters. This will be your filter sidebar. Add filter elements. You have a few options depending on what type of filter you want. You can also add simple manual filters. You can add buttons, checkboxes, or links that navigate to different filtered pages or categories. In this sample, I'll just add a heading, search element, and form element. Style your filter. Adjust padding, spacing, and background to match your site design. Make sure the filter layout is vertical for a left sidebar look. Click Save to keep your filter section ready for use. Hey, if you're still watching this video, please do us a huge favor and press the like button so that we could keep making these tutorials for you. Okay? All right, back to the video. Now it's time to use the filter on your main page. Open your page in Bricks. Add a template element to your layout. Select the template you just created from the drop-down. Now wrap the filter section inside a block element. Then inside that block, select your filter container and make it sticky. Set the top position to 80 pixels or adjust based on your design. Remember, for a sticky element to work, it needs to be inside a container that acts as its scrolling track. And that's it. You now have a sticky left filter in Bricks Builder that actually works when you scroll down. And so, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Bricks tips.